Hi, my name is Belinda Vivier. I'm the high school principal at DEMS of Khaleej. I would like to say thank you very much to Emirates NBD for coming to our school and teaching our students financial literacy. I can say that it's really important for students to have this knowledge. It should be compulsory to actually teach those for kids in school, because one day when you start working, you are actually encountering things like, do I take a loan? Don't I take a loan? What is the interest rate? Simple interest, compound interest? What's the end result of it? So it's very important for kids to know this, because when they become adults, they have to make informed decisions. And if they have financial literacy, it means that they can make better decisions about their financial situation.
Amani Hajid, high school assistant principal for grades 9 to 12. At AKIS, we do believe that we need to give our students an education that is well-rounded, comprehensive, and something that not only is academically, so not only in a sense of academics and books and what traditionally we believe is academically valuable and important, but also what we think will give them value in their life later on. So one of the things that I think me personally as well, when I was in school, I felt when I went out to the world and I started working was, I don't really know anything about financing. I don't know how to, balance whatever money I have that month. I don't know about credit cards and fraud and being careful with my bank accounts and my information. So I think that this is very, very essential, because it is something that they will start using as soon as they go to university. And it's just a way to protect them from the unfortunately increasing issues with finances, and so that they can keep a balanced life from the beginning and not go into debt, and just be able to manage their finances at an early age, so avoid that happening later in their life.
Hello, my name is Ilya, and I just finished the KFI Global program. And I just want to give my first thoughts, because initially, at hindsight, we thought that this program was just going to be something like another boring thing that's just going to come and tell us that money is important and you need to be responsible. But there was a difference this time. They actually taught us how to do these things. They taught us how to be responsible. They told us a lot of the mistakes that other people made so that we can learn from them. And this program really takes initiative into teaching us how we can actually use the things that we learned in all those other boring programs into our lives. I really enjoyed it.
Hi, my name is Noon Jalaluddin, and I was selected to be part of the KFI Global program today. I think that this program equipped me with the skills that I will need to succeed financially in the future, and thank you for giving us this opportunity. Hi everyone, I'm Dara, and I was a selected student for the KFI Global program. Now this program, like at the beginning when I heard of it, I didn't really think I'd enjoy it that much, but I actually did very well. And it taught me how to handle money financially and how to use it and keep it safe. Thank you, Emirates NBD, for sponsoring us, and yeah.
So, hello everyone, my name is Rafwan, and as one of the selected students for this financial program done by KFI Global, as I have started when I first heard of it, I thought this would just be another boring training that I have learned before, even when it came to economical and how to save my money. But when I have participated in it, I have finally opened my own eyes on that knowing such training is that would eventually even give me more progress in the future. And I believe this is the best initiative for everyone who would learn about money. Thank you very much, and all the best in the future.
Hi, my name is Zaina, and I was selected for this KFI Global program by the teacher. I was really a bit confused about what it was going to be about, and I was just going to do the boring events where they teach you how to use your money or use the money correctly. don't buy this, don't buy that, and all the things we see on YouTube. But actually, it was really helpful and mind-blowing how fast 2 hours went by. It felt like 30 minutes. It's even longer in physics club, honestly. But it was really nice, and I think all of you guys definitely show people, and I hope people in the future see this and see, oh, okay, so it's cool, it's fun, because it is actually very fun. Hi, my name is Hasti. I participated in the KFI Global program for teaching us about finance and how to manage our money. Honestly, unlike the others, I didn't join this class thinking it was boring. I joined it to skip my other classes. But I don't regret it. I don't regret skipping my other classes. This was so much more worth it. It taught me a lot, and I really admire how they had the courage to speak about their own horror stories to teach us things that we wouldn't have known when we were older. Just like our parents didn't, maybe they made mistakes, but that was because they didn't have access to such opportunities. Hello, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Noam. I'm going to tell you about my experience and how did I have fun joining the KFI Global, teaching us many stuff that was helpful for us to the future that we're going to need it.